with a big round head. Here we go, right around like that. Not too far, just a semicircle looking like a C. Very nice. And then we're gonna come all the way around like this. Snoopy's a good old dog, isn't he? There we go, right like that. And we can continue him down here to his neck. That's gonna be his neck, that's right. And then we can continue up from his neck here. There we go. And then around to there. Now Snoopy's got an ear here. He's always got his ears flopping down. He's a big old dog. And he's got a floppy ear right there. And we like to color that in, don't we? Little black ears for Snoopy that will fill in with color. And then Snoopy's pretty easy for the eyes. That's right, just like that. Like you're drawing the number 6. 2 number 6s, please. There we go. That's nice. And if you like, you can color those in black now, or you can wait later for the color. And if you like, you can draw some eyebrows on him here. 1, 2. His eyebrows tend to go off his face. That's all right. And now a big old nose for him, right about there. And it's never quite filled in all the way, is it? He's got a bit of a highlight on the nose, but we'll fill it in this way instead. There we go. Sometimes Snoopy likes to smile, sometimes he doesn't, but I like smiles. But he's got a bit of a squiggly smile when he smiles. Maybe a little like this. There we go. Big old smile, squiggly like that. Right on up. Now we can fill that in with some teeth. Don't forget to connect it all. There we go. Now we can draw a little collar for Snoopy right about there. That's nice. That's usually black as well. I think sometimes it's red, but today we'll have a black color. Very nice. Now, let's continue his body all the way down here. Just like that. There's a little bum right there. That's cute. And then we can continue a foot there. There we go, up for his heel and down and across. Just like that. That's a good one. And his foot will continue here. And his toes. That's nice. As if he's walking. And then the other foot. There's the bottom of his belly. And his other foot will be behind this foot here, so don't go over top of it. And then we'll come around like that. There we go. And don't forget his toes. 1, 2. That's nice. Continue his leg up like that. And continue his body going with his tummy there. And stop there because we're going to put his arms in here now. So let's do an arm here and here. And Snoopy's got his paws as hands. 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers for Snoopy. Now we can bring this down and connect it just like that. And then we're going to draw his other hand right here on the back. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And the last finger's going to be tricky because it's going to be behind this hand. So we'll make sure not to go over these. And then we'll join that hand down like that. That's looking good. Now Snoopy's sometimes got a spot on his back, just like that. There you go. And also sometimes he's got an ear hanging down here from the other side. And we'll do it like that. And that's what we're going to color in black later. But Snoopy is basically black and white, isn't he? All right, now it's time to fill in the blacks. Here we go. There we go, that's a nice black. Good looking Snoopy. Thanks everybody.